Hey folks, JT here with Living Analog. Last time you saw me, I let you know that I had just bought a guitar parts company. I am having pickups built and branded, and in order to show them off, I have to put some guitars together. And the first one is going to be a Jazzmaster style with a P90 style pickups that I'm having made. I'm also going to use a lot of the parts that I'm selling. Actually, all the parts except for the neck and the body itself are parts that I sell online. And I'm going to have a link in the description in my store. I can give you a sneak peek at the guitar now. It turned out great. It sounds amazing. It's a lot of fun to play. So we're going to go over putting it together, starting from the top with the wiring. We're also going to encounter some problems. These things never go as planned, but I'll show you what I did to fix them. So this guitar is going to be one that I play out and use at gigs. In fact, I already have, and it's worked out great. I don't have a use for a tone circuit a whole lot, so I set this up with two volume pots, one of which is a 1 meg pot, which is very interesting. You don't see these used a whole lot, and they look directly at your pickup. It's almost like wiring your pickup to the output jack. There's not going to be anything that impedes the sound. The other pot is going to be a mini 250K pot. Okay, here's everything that we are going to use to put together this guitar. First of all, we have a Mighty Mite neck and an off-brand body. These will not be for sale on ThompsonGuitarParts.com. We will actually be carrying Fender necks and bodies. We are a Fender authorized dealer. Starting down here, we have a aluminum tailpiece plated in chrome. Very cool, very lightweight. Here we have a Nashville style bridge with roller saddles. Also very cool. Down here, the pots, we have a 1 meg pot that's going to be used for the neck pickup, and an A250K mini that's going to be used for the bridge pickup. These are both Alpha products. Another Alpha product that we have is this 3-way switch. Very high quality. Two volume knobs. These are just regular old Strat style volume knobs. Jump up here, we have a Strat style input jack plate and a great high quality Alpha mono jack. Jumping up here to the tuners, these are just straight Wilkinson standard tuners. I love Wilkinson tuners. I've used them on a ton of guitars in the past. More or less every build I've done, I have used Wilkinson tuners, and I absolutely love them. And down here, we have the Thompson Guitar and Thrift P90 style pickups. These have Alnico 5 magnets and absolutely scream, and you'll see. It'll be especially interesting putting pickup through a 1 meg pot. Should make for some very cool tones. So that's it, folks. Just a quick rundown. In the next series of videos, you're going to see me put this guitar entirely together. The next video is going to be wiring. I'm going to wire this completely from scratch, from top to bottom. There's going to be a lot of time lapse and not a whole lot of me talking, so it's going to be straight to business. Again, you can find all these parts on ThompsonGuitarParts.com, and we'll see you soon.